We have a really neat scratch-built building here. And here comes the CP freight through a rather new part of the layout, which I did film before because it was largely unfinished. But now it's really taking shape. All of this is new since I was last here. These buildings have much more detail now. Yeah, look at this. It's a scrapyard that they built. This is brand new too. All it needs is a few vehicles to finish it off, really, and finish the crossings. And the scene would look really great. It's like 95% there. Just want to show this scrapyard. It's really well done. Lots of detail in this. Really cool. And where it goes in there is towards the yard where we were before. Won't take too much detail work to get this finished though. It's like really well, really coming along. These buildings, again, were not here last time at all. And that's the yard over there.